In Hindu culture and tradition, cows have been described as sacred and worshipable beings because they play a very essential role in the well-being of us humans. These cows, who have been entitled with the status of mother in scriptures by our sages, have arrived at the doorstep of Rajkot city and are living in a miserable condition, deprived of food and water. They are facing a life and death situation. And they are looking at us with the hope of some help. They are calling us to come to their aid and free them from this suffering. Aren't we going to do anything to lessen their pain? Aren't we going to join hands for this noble cause? The whole matter is this. Same as last year, this year also, the villages of Kutch district like Adesar, Lodrana, Deshalpur, etc. are struck with severe drought due to low rainfall. Water scarcity has led to no vegetation at all in the land. There is no food or water for even domestic cows. Their owners are also not that equipped to buy provisions, and at the same time can't bear to see their cows suffering with hunger and thirst. So they decided to spend summer near Rajkot city. They have been coming and staying on Jamnagar road of Rajkot near Nyara village since last few years, with the hope of finding some help from well-to-do and kind people of Rajkot. And they were not disappointed. Cow worshippers of Rajkot and abroad had showered a lot of love and help with open heart for this poor cattleman in past years. But this year, so far, has not been the same. These cow herds are here with their families and 450 cows since many days, but have not received enough help yet, which has put these cows in a very pitiful condition. In this scorching heat, wherein we can't even stand for half an hour, these cows have nothing except sky above their heads and land below. No shed, no food, no water. And this extreme heat is sucking life out of these innocent cows, whom we believe to be our mothers. So as children, isn't it our responsibility to help them out in this difficult time? With tears in their eyes and deep grief on their face, the cow herds like Mamaiya Bhai, Vela Bhai, etc. have told us about their predicament. They said, "It is very painful for us seeing our cows in such trouble. Their cries pierce our hearts. But helpless as we are unable to do anything except crying with them. We pray to God to send some help." With hands joined and head bowed, they are appealing to us to help them save their cows. For last few years, two people have been helping these cattlemen with all they have, Shri Prasannapala and Shri Jai Sakarya. They have played pivotal role in collecting funds and availing it to these cow owners. Both of them are ardent devotees of cows and are very thankful to all the donors who have wholeheartedly helped in past and are requesting you all to send help for this year too, so the cows can survive this summer. They have complete trust that you will not disappoint these cows and their owners this year also. Cows were most dear to Lord Krishna. Let's worship him in a different way this time, by saving his beloved cows. Let's get blessings of these holy creatures, which can change our lives forever and for better. Your little help can prove to be quite important. Please share and forward this message with all cow worshippers worldwide and be a part of this noble cause. Contact Prasannapala 99792 18205 or Jai Sakarya 98790 72751. These cows are waiting for our help. Let's join hands and save them. Thank you.